So getting started with Traffic Monsoon or in Traffic Monsoon, basically the first things first is you need to do your homework, okay, your due diligence to make sure you know what you're getting into. Once again, if you have any questions, you want to talk to me about this, I will put this link. You can find the link to this page. You will come back here in a second, and you will find my phone number and my mobile number, and you can also contact us by email. Okay, so we'll get back to this page in a second because we're gonna have to use a tool that is on this page. You can also see testimonials. You can see all videos here. I put here a lot of testimonials and what people are doing, etc. Now, getting started on Traffic Monsoon, the first thing you need to do, like I said, is do your homework. Now, to do this, the most common way is to copy the link, okay, just the link without the home there, just the domain itself. And then you open a new tab and you go to Google and type in Alexa. Okay, so Alexa, if you want to read about what Alexa is, you can just read what Alexa is and what it does and how they rank websites and they expose how kind of traffic how the website's doing. Now they have a free version and a paid version. I have a paid version, but because my password is on the other system, I'm not gonna log in to the paid version here, but the free version gives you enough information for you to see that Traffic Monsoon is going up and up and up. So I don't know about you, when it comes to opportunities, I always like to know where I am. Instead of taking risks, I take calculated risks. Okay, now Traffic Monsoon is, okay, again you can scroll down, it tells you the top country, shows where there is the most activity. In this case is Russia here, then we go Brazil, and then we go Mexico, and down here we go India. Okay, so I will as we go through this tutorial, I will explain more about getting started with on Traffic Monsoon, and basically why we're getting these readings, and you should understand this. Now you can go ahead and pick up the the nearest competitor of the website right now, similar to this, but I don't recommend you to join it at all. You probably already seen me talking about that, and I classified it what I classified it is because I simply don't like it and it's shady, and I think it's a untrue system. So compared to Traffic Monsoon, is absolutely free to join, and you can actually start making money absolutely free, which I will also show you in just a second. So let's go back to Traffic Monsoon. So basically Traffic Monsoon is a revenue sharing advertising company, so it means people advertising on it. You go there to click on those ads and see people's websites. They pay you to spend time on a website. They give you, Traffic Monsoon gives you cash links, instant cash links that you can benefit absolutely free. You just click on them, you spend 30-60 seconds on a website, and you get paid straight away into your account. And the minimum withdrawal you can take out, the minimum amount into your PayPal account or Payza or TrustPay, whatever you have, is $2. Okay. Now to begin with, the first thing you need to do is click on new registration. Okay, a lot of people have been having problems with this, and I'm actually been helping people signing up because they always get problems here. So I'm going to show you how to sign up. So we're going to start by signing up. So to sign up, the first thing you need to know is your enroller's name. Okay, because if you see that your enroller's name is Traffic Monsoon, that means you don't have in a sense you don't have anyone to sponsor you, and you're going to be signing directly under Traffic Monsoon. And Traffic Monsoon staff, they're already busy and try to make sure the site is up and everything is rolling and working out the commissions, etc. So ideal, you want to get back to the person who refers you to the website, ask them for the link or ask them for the enroller's name, what their name is, and then you type here. So in this case, if it's the first time you're seeing this and you're just interested, and you want to take advantage as well of the free tools we're giving, 60-day free tools we're giving to our people we refer, I refer myself, then all you need to do is enter there my name. Okay, this seems a bit sneaky, but that's business. And then pretty much all you do is you type that name there, then you're going to start filling the form. So first name, last name, phone number. This is important because I need that phone number to call you. Email address. So the email address, I recommend you to use Gmail, no other than Gmail, because everything else like Hotmail, MSN, Outlook, they're very easy to hack into and steal your information. So use Gmail, because Gmail has a two-step verification through your phone. You can use a different phone that you don't use every day. You don't give that number to everyone, but still using your phone to verify your passwords and stuff like that. So use Gmail. Now the next one is your username. Now your username is important. Try and use your first and last name if you can. If you not, try and use something that easy for people to spell, because if you not have access to your links when people call you because they want to join, because you refer them, you always need to make sure your name is easy to type and easy to remember. So type a good name here for for your referrals. Next, this is the one where everybody gets stuck because of the password. So the password is alphanumeric, and they need to be between 6 and 12 characters or more. They can be quite big, and you can see there's two different passwords. One is your hydro code, which is the password you're going to use when you want to take money out, and the other one is your password you're going to be using every day. So at this point is when you want to come to this page. Okay, again, the link is below this video. Where you see this video, where you see my contacts there, you're going to scroll down, and here is a RoboForm tool, which is a free software. You just basically click on it. Okay, you click on it, then you get to this page, and as you can see, you can install on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, pretty much on any device you have. And basically all you need to remember is your master password and username. That's it. You install it on all those devices. The system is completely safe. I've been using this for years, and it's safe. Okay, it's pretty safe. So you can I think you can have up to 10 different passwords, 10 different sites on it for free, and then after that you have to pay something like $9 a year or something like that. Okay, I'm a paid member and I pay the system because it's safe. Another way to save your password is to use a USB drive or a flash drive and keep your passwords in there. Okay, so let's go back here to Traffic Monsoon page once again, and we keep going down. So fill in those passwords. Okay, now fill in those passwords. Once you install RoboForm, it will appear in your browser. So if you use Internet Explorer or Firefox, will show like this. If you use Google Chrome, will show appear on the right. So what you do is you put the cursor inside there, and then you go to this bolt here. You see the bolt, generate, and you click generate, and basically generates the password. You can highlight the password like this, right click, copy, and then you go down here, right click, paste, right click, paste, and then you do the same for the other password. You go there, generate. It has to be different, otherwise the system won't accept it. So we can generate again. Okay, copy, and you go here, generate, and you go here, paste. Okay, right click, paste, right click, paste. So right click, copy, right click, paste. Next, Pazer. Okay, so here's your payment information. You can use Pazer email or Solid Trust username. Okay, or you can use PayPal. I use PayPal, and I recommend you to use PayPal. If you don't have PayPal account yet, then create your PayPal and use your Gmail for this. The next thing you need to do is then read the terms and conditions and click the box, and then type this captcha code there, and then click the proceed button. Once you click the proceed button, the system will let you know that they have sent an email. The email will contain all your details, your password, logins, etc., and the link for you to verify your account. So once you click on that link, you come back to the site. You will see your username is there. You will see just a space for you to put your password to verify your account, and you will see the captcha code as well. So you only do those three things. So once you did that, congratulations, you verified your account and you're ready to start to make money in just a few seconds after login. So after you log in, and now you log in, how do you going to log in? So to log in, if you install and follow exactly as I've been told you, then you will have this application. Okay, the RoboForm will appear here or to your right, and then basically all you do is you're going to go put your mouse over the site, because once you get to the site, the system automatically identifies what site you are on. And if you want to log in, obviously I'm going to have to go back here to the home page, and you can see the login form will appear here on the right. Okay, so I put my cursor in there, then I click on the system, and once I click on it, it automatically tries to log me in. Now, because the safety system of the website, it does not allow the RoboForm to sign you up automatically, so you always have to enter the Turing number. Okay, So every time you log in into the site, it's going to give you a different tuning number. So all you do is you go here, okay? You put your mouse over the website you try to log in, and then you click on this button, great button, and you click edit traffic Monsoon. Okay, you're not going to edit anything. All you need to do is just access your password. So again, highlight, right click, copy, then you go back here, you paste, okay, and then you type Y X. In this case, this is always a different one anyway, but this is what is this one, and you click login. So this is how you log in using the RoboForm. And once you log in, obviously, first thing you're gonna see is the login HUD. So people are paying for the login HUD. You know, to understand this better, you're better off starting to use the system so you get used to it. And when it displays the login HUD, back to the dashboard. Then you click the dashboard, and here you will find getting started. Now, getting started, pretty much, you know, the system as of right now, because it's doing so well. Remember, like I said, on the Alexa rankings here, and it's paying over just over $1 a day. So I got started at about $50. And then later, you know, a couple of days later, when I saw what the system worked and see that the system was paying out, I went in and put another, you know, 5 packs. Okay, I upgraded to 5 ad packs or profit share packs. That was paying me $5. Then I got a referral. I paid the referral. This is all in 2 weeks. Okay, this is about 2 weeks I've been in the system, and I just had my first, you know, the 6 packs. I actually bought it. The money I made from Traffic Monsoon. Okay, I didn't put any more money in. So pretty much I'm $250 in. I took $50, didn't take it out. I just put it back in so I don't get charged for the transaction fees. I put it back in, bought another pack. So which means I only need another, you know, another 200, so another four packs to put my initial startup capital back into my pocket, and then I just gonna be using the money from Traffic Monsoon. Obviously, I'll be buying credit packs and clicks and stuff like that, because the advertising works. Now, how do you work? So pretty much all you need to do, okay, getting started for free. Like I said, you will have cash links that appear here. But basically all you need to do is click start surfing, and you need to surf 10 websites a day minimum. So this is the surfing system. Here's how it works. So as you can see, it's got a timer there. You wait for the timer to get to the end. And when the timer gets to the end, let me just take a sip here. My throat is getting a bit dry here. All you then do is you click on an identical image. Okay, so you can see here the identical image here. In this case, is this one, and it goes to the next site. So next site, and then you just do this until you see 10 different websites. Okay, this is free. What you do, you get credits. You can see I got clicked one, so I got 1 credit right there. I then can use these credits to advertise my own products, websites, offers, stuff like that. You know, don't worry if you have nothing to sell or nothing to promote. You can actually promote Traffic Monsoon in itself. And, you know, like I said, if you join under us and I become your enroller, then, you know, I'll be teaching other techniques where you can go get products, which is absolutely free. Bring them here and then try and pitch them. Okay, basically doing exactly the same thing. So you see other people's website, other people see your website as well. So next site, this is not what I want to do. I wanted to go back to my dashboard, but pretty much this is what you do with the Traffic Monsoon, and then the profit shares, which I already pre-explained it to you. But again, go ahead, sign up. Feel free to contact us anytime. Again, this link is below. Contact us if you have any questions. Get in touch. I'm here to help you. Okay, and take a look at the testimonials here and see what the people doing, and you can also see more videos and my progress here as well. So let's go back to Traffic Monsoon. Let's match the image again back to my account. And one of the things you actually should do, okay, you are required to do this, is to complete your profile. Okay, so click edit your profile. So I'm not gonna go there because there's a couple of details there I don't want to show, because it's gonna give me a lot of work having to cover all that. But basically, you click edit profile, add a picture. The reason you add the picture is because your picture sometimes shows next to the advert, and that does help getting sales and leads, subscribers, whatever you're gonna do. Pretty much to promote the program, all you need to do is simply copy this link. This is your promoting links. You copy this link, and you refer friends, family, whatever you want to refer to the system. But pretty much the system is very easy to use, very easy to understand. I started it. I went very quick to five ad packs, which means I was making $5 a day. Now I got 6 sharing positions, and now I'm making just over $6 a day. So I already got $7 there because you just passed the hour. It's now 2 a.m. in the morning here. I do work late, so I work late, but try to keep those hours that I show on the site there. So if you're gonna call me between those times there, 9:30 to 8:30, because that's the time I have for the phone. You can also, of course, call me on Skype, and you can email me, so contact me on email, and I make sure I arrange the time, because I do other things apart from this. This is all, it takes about 1 hour a day, less than 1 hour. It takes about maximum 20 minutes. Okay, maximum 20 minutes. Of course, if I want to get the cash links, the instant cash links, which is here mostly for the free members, then I will need to log in 10 minutes before the hour, or 10 minutes past the hour. So right now is 2 a.m. So they won't be there until about another 5 minutes until they start to appear again. So 10 minutes before the hour and 10 minutes past the hour, you will find those credit packs. Those cash links. Okay, the hard packs is what you get for the profit share. Okay, so the profit shares, which you click here, and that's where you buy the profit share. So you can see the size of the banners that you can advertise. So by ad pack, so again explains there exactly what you get. This section provides you with 20 pay-per-click banner credits, which is this banners right here. You can see this is the pack I just bought yesterday, which is gonna give me advertising this banner. Now the good thing about advertising, although it might sound strange, it looked strange to me as well when I first joined. Why is it people advertising Traffic Monsoon on Traffic Monsoon? Well, the reason is because Traffic Monsoon actually advertise on other websites and broader sites, and that allows you to build your your referrals. Okay, so they bring your referrals. They also help you in getting referrals. So if you have problems in getting referrals, again, the system pretty much has everything in place, and basically my position here is to help you do even better. Okay. The next thing is then you get 1,000 traffic exchange credits. That 1,000 traffic exchange credits, if I go to my website, will show I got those one go. Okay, and you can see advertising different things here. Okay, some I got clicks, some I've run out, and basically some still got clicks, that one still got clicks, and basically those credits that I earn, I can convert them into clicks. So all I do is, you can see here, if I want to carry on advertising, not that one, not this one, but I would do is just click manage and assign, and basically allows me to assign those credits there and start to advertise that site. But this is not something I'm gonna do now. Probably gonna promote something else, because that one has been there for a while, hasn't sold. But basically this is what you do. You serve credits for credits. So if you are a sharing member, if you're having shares, which pays you $1 per day, up to let's go back here, up to $55. Okay, it pays you $50. Your $50 that you down payment that you put for the revenue share, you get one revenue share per each $50. So if you get 5 ad packs, then you're gonna be making around just over $5 a day. If you get 20 ad packs, then you get $20 a day, and so on and so forth. So pretty much when it gets to 55, it expires at $55. Okay, there it goes. I think I pretty much explained what I can explain to you. But for you to get started, again, if you haven't started, if you haven't heard about before, or if you want to join under us, all you need to do is click on the link, come to this page, watch the testimonials. Again, like I said, do your due diligence, contact me, get in touch. I'm here to help you. You can follow us on the social networks. You can kind of contact me, get in touch. Okay, you got a mouth, use it. It's your best tool. To make the noise is your mouth, and to work with is your hands, and pretty much that's it. So once again, I'm Zenuns. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.